Show values as calculation are very useful for the time analysis. For example, letting us calculate the year-on-year percentage change or similar calculations. Let's see an example by inserting a pivot table and placing order date on rows, sales on values, and once again sales on values, because just next to the initial sum of sales based on the year level, we want to calculate right now what is the year-on-year percentage change. Let's format the data a bit better to see that year by year the sales in this data source is increasing. And now I would like to take my 2012 result divided by the result of the previous year -1, which is going to give me the year-on-year percentage change. And there is a nice way to do it just by using the show values as, and it's called percent difference from. If you keep 2011, then this is going to be the base year, and by doing so you would just calculate the growth compared to the year 2011. But we don't want to stick to this 2011. I want to move the denominator of my calculation so that every year it's growing, and this is what this calculation allows by setting the previous as the base item for the calculation, the previous year. So if I'm in the year 2012, I compare myself to 2011, 2013, then 2012. I hope this is obvious. And once we hit OK, you will see there is no calculation for the year 2011 because we don't have anything before, but then the rest of the calculations are quite nice, and we can just format the data to make it easier to understand. We can also change the headers like sales and the year-on-year percentage change of sales. And let's think how to graphically present the data, for example, by using a combo chart, and my sales might remain as the clustered column, but my percentage year-on-year might become the line with markers calculation, and we will see that year by year this sales change is growing, and this is what might be one of the conclusions of this exercise. This time, instead of sticking to the right axis, we can add maybe the data labels in there and place them above the points on the chart, and then at the end we can maybe hide the labels for the right axis because we don't need them at all. Maybe let's add some more formatting to make sure we understand what's happening on the chart. You might play also around with other options in a similar way. We've seen this in the previous exercises to make the chart look even better. Thank you very much for this lesson, and see you in the next one.